You can count on continues with new developments at The Hub. That's the 33,000 square foot facility in the Laney Walker and Harrisburg neighborhoods. It's going to house the Boys and Girls Clubs in Harrisburg. All sorts of nonprofits will be there. And we now know that it will provide mental health resources. News Channel 6's Chloe Salsameda live outside the construction site now. And Chloe, these services are going to be free and they're going to be available to people of all ages.
Yeah, as you can see, the hub is still under construction, but in just a few months, Harrisburg Family Healthcare will open a new clinic here called Thrive. It's designed to help people battling addiction and trauma so they can live healthy lives in the future. Crews are still building the hub, screwing in walls and laying pavement. Soon, this will be home to Thrive, a new mental health clinic run by Harrisburg Family Healthcare.
We understand that to be healthy, you have to focus not just on the physical body, but also mental health, the way people think, the way they feel, and the way they behave.
They'll offer services for the homeless, people battling addiction, and those who experience trauma, something many in this area have faced.
When you live in poverty, when you live in situations where you're in a food desert, where it's not safe to walk your dog or have the kids play in the yard, those are all stressors and challenge mental health.
They're challenges that can affect a person for their whole life if gone untreated. That's why everyone who walks into Thrive will go through a trauma screening so they can be connected with the best treatments and resources.
We're going to mitigate that trauma. We're going to help you deal with it up front. And then we're going to give you a life plan and do case management to connect you with resources to ensure that you have food, that your kids are performing okay in school.
It's a plan to help people of all ages, from all different backgrounds, giving everyone an equal opportunity to succeed in the community they call home.
People who've been here for generations, we want them to be able to stay in their communities and to not only live there, but to thrive there.
Well, there will be a soft opening of Thrive in April during Masters Week, but they don't expect to completely open until about June. But for anyone who needs those services ahead of time, you can go to the clinic that's open right now on Crawford Avenue. Live in Augusta, Chloe Salsameda, WJBF, News Channel 6.